Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power button and the volume up, and this brings up our boot options, and then swipe up to turn off your phone. Once the phone turns off, you want to again hold power button and the volume up. After a moment, we should see the POCO logo on the screen, at which point you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. And when you see the recovery mode, or main menu as it's called right here, you can let go of the volume up as well, and then I can utilize volume buttons to navigate up or down, as you can see, as the screen doesn't really do anything here in terms of touch screen. So whenever you have an option selected that you want to confirm, you can then press power button at volume. So going over the options, we have reboot, which takes us back to Android, wipe data, which consists of wipe all data and, well, nothing else. Then we have connect with Mi Assistant, and also you can boot to safe mode from here. So that being said, I'm going to select the first option, confirm it, reboot to system, yes, and this one will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.